In that case, a complaint filed against the appellants, who were bank officials, was quashed because the court found that it was a counterblast to action taken by them in their official capacity for realizing the loan amount due from the complainant. Stop. On facts of that case, it was easy to hold that the complaint was clearly an abuse of judicial process, and it was also found that averments and allegations in complaint did not disclose commission of any offence by appellants. Stop. The magistrate had failed to apply his mind to the case of the appellants, and the High Court had erred in not even adverting to the basic facts. Stop. The factual situation in the present case is quite otherwise. Stop. Reliance was also placed on behalf of respondents upon judgment in the case of State of Karnataka versus Muniswamy and others, 1977 to SCC 699. Stop. In that case, the accused persons pleaded for discharge before the Sessions Court, which was not accepted, but the High Court quashed the proceedings on the ground that there was no material on the record on the basis of which any tribunal could reasonably come to the conclusion that the accused were in any manner connected with the incident leading to the prosecution. Stop. This court agreed with the views of the High Court on the basis of peculiar facts of that case, showing lack of any data or material which could create a reasonable likelihood of conviction for any other offence in connection with attempted murder of the complainant. Stop. That judgment also is of no help to the respondents herein in the light of allegations made in the complaint, the statement of the complainant on solemn affirmation and the CID report of investigation on which the complainant placed reliance and which was perused by the learned magistrate. Stop. Para. These appeals are therefore allowed, the judgment and order under appeal passed by the High Court is set aside. Stop. We also set aside the orders passed by the learned Sessions Court dated 30/11/2011, whereby summoning order was set aside in respect of accused number 6 to 8 and accused number 9. Stop. In other words, the order of summoning passed by learned magistrate dated 2/5/2011 is restored. Stop. Before parting with the order, we make it clear that any observations in this order shall not prejudice the case of either of the parties before the court below, and the criminal complaint case of the appellant must proceed on its own merits strictly in accordance with law. Stop. Although we have set aside the order granting relief to accused numbers 6 to 9 by the Sessions Court, in the interest of justice, we direct that in the facts of the case, accused numbers 6 to 9 shall be granted benefit of bail by the learned magistrate if they appear within 10 weeks and apply for same. Stop. The magistrate shall of course be at liberty to set reasonable conditions for such grant. Stop. Para. Negating the finding of the High Court as to the place of occurrence, learned counsel submitted that the High Court did not consider the case in its proper perspective. Stop. A perusal of entire evidence on record would clearly establish the place of occurrence and that the prosecution has succeeded in providing the guilt beyond all reasonable doubt. Stop. The evidence on the record clearly reveals that the investigating officer had recovered the blood-stained roll of the clay and the plain clay from the place of incident. Stop.